Hello friends, welcome to Let'sFab. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to find ASME material specifications for plate material, pipe material, tube material, fitting material, forging material and casting material. And we also see how to select the suitable welding electrode for joining these ASME materials, so that we can cover all the information related to ASME material specifications and AWS electrode welding electrode specification. Now let's move forward. You open your mobile browser and type Let'sFab in a Google search terms and click on the search button. When you get a Google search result, just scroll down below to find out the Let'sFab website link. Here is the first website link, just name as the letsfab.in. Just click on that website. When you come to our website, you will see the menu button over the upper right corner of this website. You just click on that buttons and you will get some menus option over there, and click on the Our Apps menu to our website. It will move toward you to our app section, where the all the apps developed by the Let'sFab has been listed over there. You just scroll down below to find out our today's tool. The name is ASME Materials and Electrode. Just scroll down below and find out these tools. You will get these tools. Here is this tools. Here is the ASME materials and electrode. These tools, we have to download these apps into our mobile. So downloading this mobile to our Android or Apple device, you just click on the download button and it will move toward you the ports related to information of this particular app. And you just scroll down below, you will see the click here to download app for Android device, or click here to download for Apple device link. You just click on my mobile is an Android device, just so that I was clicking on the click here to download the Android device. And when you click on that button, you will come to Google Play website or Google Play Store, and it will show you the install option. In this case, I have already installed this app in my mobile. That's why it's showing the open button. You just click on the install. When the installation complete or downloading process is complete, you will see the open button. You just click on the open button. When you open this app, you will see the first welcome screen of this app, and there is a percentage coming over there. You just wait till completing it's the 100%, and when this 100% will be complete, you will open the home page of this particular app. In the home page of this app, you will see some listed categories or materials list are over there. First is the carbon steel material, alloy steel material, stainless steel material, Ni steel material and non-ferrous materials. All these materials, ASME material specification and welding electrode data will be available in this particular section. First of all, we have to click on the carbon steel button. When you click on the carbon steel button, you will see the list of material available under this carbon steel section. You have to just select any one material from this list. I am selecting for the reference is the carbon steel impact tested material. Just click on this material, and when you click on this material, you will see the material information for that particular material. First of all, you will see on the top of this screen, there is the material name carbon steel impact tested is written over there, and below this the P number information seen given over there, and below the P number information ASME material specifications for pipe, tube, rod fitting, forging, casting and plate materials are given over there. Similarly, you just see below the ASME material specification, the other sections are over there. AWS electrode specifications. In this electrode AWS specification, you will see the preferred electrode used for joining this material is E7018, or you also see the bare electrode. Bare electrode means a filler wire which will be used for the joining purpose of this material. And this is the electrode specifications information, and above is the material specifications information. You will get the particular carbon steel category, which are the material specification used in ASME, and what are the electrodes are used for particular joining these materials. You also find preheat temperature details and post heat temperature and hardness of this particular material. So all the information related to the impact tested carbon steel material is listed over there. You just give this information and you will get information about ASME material specification and electrode. I am going to back to find out. We will see the any other options. Similarly, you can click on alloy steel. It also gives the list of the alloy steel materials, and click on the any materials. you will get information of this particular materials. Similarly, we can get information about stainless steel material. For the reference, we just taking the one information for SS304. It comes under the category of 18 chromium and 8 nickel options. You just click on the 18 chromium and 8 nickel option, you will get information for this particular section, and you will get that the P number for 18 chromium and 8 nickel is 8, and the ASME material specification used under these categories are for the pipe A312 TP304, for tube A213 TP304 and 3. This means that this is a SS304 material information for pipe, tube, rod fitting, forging, casting and plate materials are listed over there. And similarly, what are the electrodes used for joining this SS304 material is preferred electrode is E308 if you are using the electrode, and if you are using the filler wire you have to use ER308 material. This is a welding electrode and material specification for particularly SS304 or 18 chromium nickel. Similarly, for any materials, all the materials are listed over there which are commonly used or mostly used in a fabrication purpose. You can use or you can get the information for that particular materials. For the reference, I just some non-ferrous materials are also listed over there. You can also get information about non-ferrous material. These are the for the reference. I just clicking on the aluminum, and the aluminum non-ferrous material informations are available over there. Similarly, you can get all the information about your listed materials. You have to just find out the categories of this material, and you will get all the information about ASME material specification and what are the suitable welding electrode you can use for joining this particular material. So this app is basically developed by Let'sFab to get information about ASME material specifications and welding and to find out the suitable welding specifications for joining this particular material. We have developed lots of the apps in the fabrication field. You can get the information about these apps by visiting our website, our app sections. You will get all the tools or apps related to the fabrication field. If you want to learn from us, you can also visit our e-learning, or you can also join our e-learning courses by visiting our website, our courses sections. You will get all the listed courses that are provided by the Let'sFab. If you find this video the informative, just comment us. And if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for similar videos and knowledge in your fabrication field. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.